Imagine waking up every morning feeling more tired than the night before. Your joints ache a little more. Your memory slips. You chalk it up to aging. But what if the real culprit isn't time, it's your breakfast? You see, after age 60, the body goes through silent transformations. Metabolism slows. Bone density drops. Organs become more vulnerable. And here's the shocking truth. Certain foods that were fine in your 30s, 40s, and even 50s, become dangerous past 60. Every bite you take after 60 has a greater impact on your heart, your brain, your energy levels, even your lifespan. In this video, we're diving deep into the 7 foods that seniors should avoid after 60. These are foods that can accelerate aging, spark disease, and steal your vitality, and we'll also show you what to eat instead. This isn't just another diet video. It's a science-backed guide to protecting the next 20, 30, or even 40 years of your life. If you care about staying sharp, strong, and independent, this may be the most important health video you watch this year. Let's start with one of the most common foods in Western kitchens, processed meats. We're talking about bacon, ham, sausages, salami, deli slices. You've probably had these your whole life, but after 60, they can become silent killers. Why? Because they're loaded with sodium nitrates, preservatives, and saturated fat. These chemicals inflame your blood vessels, increase plaque in arteries, and contribute to strokes, heart disease, and even certain cancers. A Harvard study linked processed meats with a 42% increased risk of heart failure in older adults. That's not a small number. So what can you do? Swap out processed meats for lean proteins like grilled chicken, wild salmon, or lentils. If you crave a sandwich, use fresh cooked turkey or hummus instead of deli ham. Cookies, cakes, pies, donuts. The occasional treat seems harmless, but for seniors, sugar hits harder than ever before. Sugar triggers rapid spikes in blood glucose, leading to insulin resistance, inflammation, and eventually diabetes. It also causes fatigue, brain fog, and makes you more prone to infections by weakening the immune system. For older adults, sugar is like pouring fuel on a fire that's already burning in your body. So what can you enjoy instead? Fresh fruit, dark chocolate in moderation, or baked goods made with almond flour and natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit. Canned soups, instant noodles, frozen dinners. They're fast, cheap, and full of salt. Way too much salt. Too much sodium raises your blood pressure, stresses your kidneys, and thickens your blood. As you age, your body loses its ability to flush out excess salt. The worst part? These foods don't taste salty, but just one can of soup can exceed your daily sodium limit. Instead, go for low-sodium broth, cook in bulk using fresh ingredients, and season with herbs instead of salt. White bread, pasta, and rice, they taste comforting, but they act like sugar in disguise. They break down into glucose rapidly, causing insulin spikes that wear out your pancreas and flood your bloodstream with sugar. Refined carbs provide short bursts of energy and long hours of fatigue. They've also been linked to dementia and inflammation. Go for whole grain bread, quinoa, brown rice, or cauliflower rice. You'll stabilize your blood sugar and feel more energetic. You gave up sugar, so you went sugar-free. But those diet drinks and fake sweeteners might be worse. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose can harm gut bacteria, increase sugar cravings, and may even cause headaches and anxiety. Older adults already have a less diverse gut microbiome, and artificial sweeteners make it worse, weakening immunity and digestion. Use natural options instead, raw honey, maple syrup, or monk fruit in moderation. Trans fats are hidden in fried foods, margarine, frozen pizza, and baked goods. These fats raise bad cholesterol, clog arteries, and shrink your lifespan. For seniors, the risk is higher. One meal with trans fats can raise stroke risk by 25%. Switch to olive oil, avocado, and grass-fed butter. Cook at home, and skip fast food when possible. A glass of wine now and then? Fine, but regular drinking after 60 can damage your liver, impair memory, and increase the risk of falls and broken bones. Seniors process alcohol more slowly, and it often reacts with medication. It also robs your body of hydration and nutrients. Cut back, hydrate more, and choose red grape juice or mocktails for social occasions. You've spent decades building wisdom, now it's time to nourish your body to match. The food you eat after 60 can help you stay mobile, clear-headed, and joyful for years to come. Cut the silent saboteurs, and embrace simple, natural alternatives. Did you find this helpful? Then don't keep it to yourself, share it with someone you love, and hit that subscribe button for more timeless tips from our Wise Living series.